Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill like a pop for this love pain? Anybody got a prayer for this love pain, yeah? Ooh, I need it for this love pain. Anybody got a prescription, yeah?
Hello everyone, this is Keisha from Drink Coffee Make Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a plan with me in my social media planner. This is the Planner Babe vertical layout planner, and I use this to keep track of social media and such. Here's a week at last week's After the Pen with my shabby handwriting. I normally don't show after the pens because my handwriting gets kind of messy, but I'm working on it. I'm trying to learn how to write a little more neatly so that I won't be fearful of showing my after the pens. But so that's the look at last week. I'm going to be planning for the week of June 15th through the 21st, so I'll go ahead and take those pages off the disc. And this week I have pulled the pastel rainbow. I thought maybe that these colors would go well with the spine of the pages in the Planner Babe. So I'll go ahead and speed the video up, and when I finish, I'll be back. All right, everyone, I think I'm going into sticker overload, so I'm just going to stop right there and put these back on the disc. So let's see what it looks like. All right, so that's fun. That's a fun spread. I like the colors along with the silver. I think that really kind of makes it pop. So yeah, I like that. That's cute. All right, so if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.